national television experience before you graduate from college.
Getting to work with so many different people, doing so many different cool things, it's opportunities I wouldn't have anywhere else.
You can learn from some really, really great industry professionals so that your experience can be even better.
Anyone can come do this if they put in the effort and time to learn to do it.
For other people, it's like, wow, you're on the Big Ten streaming service. It's a big thing for them, and so it just makes me really happy and proud to show them it.
I just love it. I just love how fast-paced it is.
So the StudentU program is a really important initiative to Big Ten Network. It takes place on all 18 of our campuses, and it's our educational part of our mission to train and inspire the next generation of video professionals and teach them what live video production is all about. StudentU started in 2008, very humbly.
The idea was way ahead of its time. This was before live events were really streamed anywhere. To the point it actually frustrated some fans in the early years who were not used to watching games on the internet or through a streaming service.
And over the course of a couple of years, the proof of concept took hold and the program grew to the point where now we have full-time control rooms and equipment built out across all 18 schools in the conference.
I've been so impressed with how we continue to get better every year, and it's really because of a combination of things. A lot of it is logistics and the ties between IU Athletics, the Big Ten Network, and Cream and Crimson Studios, in that they're able to coordinate on a far closer level now than we've ever been before about what we need to do broadcast by broadcast and how to train people specifically to do those types of productions.
The StudentU program is special here at Indiana University. Not only do you have a major brand that the students get to literally walk into their freshman year, but they're getting that professional experience, right? So everything from behind the scenes to on-air talent, you get well-rounded. So the opportunity is unprecedented across the country.
The main piece of this is teaching and training students, some of whom come to their campuses with maybe a background in video production from their high school program, and some of them are brand new to this and maybe just have a love of sports or cameras or whatever the case may be, but to teach them all the different aspects that go into the production of a live sporting event.
The curriculum and coursework is great, and it gives you opportunities to get hands-on. So it's just a hands-on experience we get in class. I think there's no better way of learning than just doing it.
It's an immediate demo reel. With the growth of the Big Ten Plus and that streaming platform, anybody across the globe can watch these live games, and major programs that Indiana is facing here at home, we are a part of telling that story. So each course is crucial in the growth of not only our program, but each and every individual student that touches it, because they are the ones that are telling the story.
It makes me really proud to show my family and friends what I'm doing here in Indiana, because I think it's pretty cool and they think it's even cooler, because to me it's become pretty normal to be on Big Ten Plus, but for other people it's like, wow, you're on the Big Ten streaming service.
It's really built on a laboratory model. They are learning from scholars, from books, from what's happened, but they're also then going out and testing it themselves. They're making a game, they're covering a sporting event. It makes them invaluable to employers because they have seen things in a real way. They're not just coming cold out of a classroom.
This is one of those opportunities that everyone has looked at on my resume. I get asked about it in every interview I've done, every internship I've had has asked me questions about it, and it's a huge talking point in my reel and everything like that.
replay, video stations, audio stations. They're touching all this different types of equipment behind the scenes. On air, play-by-play, color commentators, sideline reporters. And then we also have the producer element where people are putting shows together and telling the story of the Indiana Hoosiers.
Your office space is the floor of one of the most famous basketball arenas in the world, Simon Scott Assembly Hall. Your office space is on the third baseline of a major, college baseball program. Your office space is at Armstrong Stadium in Yeagley Field, covering the gold standard of collegiate soccer.
Students are putting together broadcasts that are rivaling linear broadcast. And that's a testament to the full-time team support, the support that they're getting from the media school, and the support that the conference provides, sharing those weekly notes and also sharing quality control reports after each show.
The skills that students are being taught here on campus are applicable out in the real world. The equipment that they're working on is the same as they're going to encounter when they get into this industry as a professional.
The energy that has been created here over time, cultivated, it's been a burn, right? We're talking about a decade plus of growing and growing, and we're now at a point where we're really cooking.
From my perspective, if you want to go into broadcasting or broadcast production, you couldn't ask for a better program than Big Ten Plus.
It's transformative for students who want to do this for a living.
And that's a pride point for us as well, to be able to say that our graduates are well positioned to go out into this world and get a job as a professional.
And as long as we do that, we'll continue to be one of the best programs in the country.